Hello everyone, this is the repository I have created to hold all the automation utilities which we use for our everyday tasks. As it is just created today, I created with one single utility for now. And to the same repository, I will add more in this table. So for now, just clone this repository, or you can directly download the zip file. It's downloaded. Next, if you go to this readme for this particular utility, I have provided the instructions on how to set up that. So this transactions folder contains all the phone pay screenshots. I mean, to whichever person I have sent the amount, I have taken screenshots of the transactions and kept here. Here transaction ID, all these are dummy transaction IDs, but this one I am not opening as these are real transactions. So what we need to do is we can simply we have some prerequisite installation instructions. You see, these are all py files, so these are Python scripts, so we need to download the Python. I have kept different instructions for based on operating system for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So for Windows, you can go to this Python downloads link directly, or you can go here also. Click that, download the Python install manager. Okay, not MSX. Okay, let's standalone one. Let's download that. I'm installing for all users, so whoever log into this system. So it comes to program files. And once you install this Python, we require some Python packages also need to get installed. So if you don't want to install them globally for this complete machine, instead if you want to keep those packages as that folder specific, you can create virtual environments for that. That instructions also I have given. Or you can directly go to YouTube or anywhere and search how to set up VE environment. Present, let's keep this simple and use the global Python only. While it's being installed, let me go to downloads and open that code. I'll copy it to desktop. Go to this Chit parser, and while the Python is being installed, let's see the other instructions also. We need this Tesseract OCR. This is the utility used by Python to get the content from the images. I'm selecting all the options. Let's see whether it's completed. Yeah, Python is completed. let's wait till this also complete. And I get my transactions in this pictures folder. So let me copy the transaction folder and come to this chit parser folder and paste here. So this utility I have set up for tracking the chit funds. So you can set that static amount, means every month the transaction amount changes but the chit amount will be fixed. So that one you can set here. I am keeping 40,000. You can change with your chit amount. And so this installation is also complete. Run this one. Okay, we need to install this. Sorry. Once this Python package is installed, now this is completed. Let me clear the screen. CLS Python parse transactions.py. So it scans one by one image and fetches all the transaction details. And for rough number, this is the amount it got generated and set there. It's the total chit amount and total number of transactions and the amount we transferred.